lyrebird, some would say, is what a parrot wishes to be. It has the best vocal mimicry in the whole animal kingdom. They have developed sounds like a baby crying, a car alarm, a camera, a chainsaw, and lasers that adeptly imitate the real thing, making them very deceptive. Speaking of deception, Paul said in 2 Corinthians 11:14 and 15, and no wonder, for even Satan disguises himself as an angel of light. So it is no surprise if his servants also disguise themselves as servants of righteousness. The end will correspond to their deeds. That is an urgent call to be mindful of being led astray and staying close to not a lyrebird, but the true word. I am Michael Horsford, and may you be filled by God's morning manna.